The giant octopus is extremely common throughout the Pacific Northwest, and they've held a regular spot on display at the Seattle Aquarium over the years. But when the keepers here decided to move one into a larger tank with sharks and other big fish, they assumed that the octopus's strength and camouflage would keep it safe. As it turned out, they were tragically mistaken. What was happening in the aquarium was a mystery. Each week, keepers were finding shark carcasses in the bottom of the tank. Week after week, the 3 to 4 foot sharks kept vanishing. So one night, someone stayed up to see who the culprit was. And lo and behold, they learned something about this species they never imagined. To say the least, it was a big surprise to find out that sharks were being taken by an octopus, a mere invertebrate. Kind of gives new meaning to top predator.